רואים את העשן שם מעל נמל חיפה? משהו בוער שם. וואי, טילי פרסוני! אלוהים! כל המפרץ פיצוץ אחד גדול!
The Middle East is at boiling point. Amidst escalating tensions in 2026, a big question arises. Can Iran, a country that has been under sanctions for years, really stand up to the combined forces of Israel and the United States? The answer may not lie in the number of troops, but in asymmetric strategies and missile technology that are now making Pentagon generals think twice. Iran's first advantage lies not in luxury, but in brutal efficiency. In recent attacks, Iran has employed a swarming strategy using kamikaze drones such as the Shait series. Did you know the price of one drone unit is only around 20,000 United States dollars? However, to shoot it down, Israel and the US have to fire interceptor missiles costing millions of dollars. This is a war of attrition. Iran is betting that they can exhaust the enemy's air defense system before they run out of drones, while the Iron Dome or Patriot systems are busy dealing with hundreds of cheap drones. That's when Iran's main ballistic missiles come in to strike vital targets. Not only drones, Iran is now flexing its muscles with medium-range ballistic missiles capable of reaching up to 2,500 kilometers. This means that the entire territory of Israel and every US military base in the Middle East are within striking distance. Even more frightening, the development of the Fatah hypersonic missile is claimed to be capable of penetrating even the most sophisticated air defense systems. Due to its speed exceeding Mach 5 and its ability to maneuver in the air, for Iran, this is a trump card to ensure that their counterattacks cannot be stopped. At sea, Iran controls the Strait of Hormuz, the world's energy lifeline. With anti-ship missiles and radar-evading fast boats, Iran threatens to turn the Gulf into a graveyard for aircraft carriers. Even though the US has the strongest naval fleet, a saturation attack from multiple directions in a confined space, like the Strait of Hormuz, could become a logistical nightmare that cripples the global economy in a matter of hours. Do you think Iran's drone technology can really break Iron Dome's dominance? Write your opinion in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on world military news.